Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, we are on the record in the matter of the City of Wyandotte versus Jeffrey Reynolds, 24936 A, B, C, and D.
One in Wayne County. Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Corey Westmoreland appearing on behalf of Mr. Reynolds. Mr. Reynolds, would you please state your name for the record?
Jeffrey Paul Reynolds.
All right, thank you. And today's date scheduled for arraignment as your client is in custody, and so counsel, as to the arraignment.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, we are prepared to waive a formal reading. My client's name. You.
All right, the court will waive the formal reading, enter plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment. And we will schedule this matter for pre-trial on January 22nd.
Yes, at 10:45.
What time?
10:45.
January 22nd at 10:45 a.m. Yeah.
He's out there. So I gave him key files.
All right, and then counsel asked you about.
Yes, I would like you to know that Mr. Reynolds currently is residing in Lincoln Park. He is currently on probation out of Wayne County Circuit Court. And after speaking with Mr. Reynolds, he did assure me that he would be appearing at all future court dates and does understand the importance of doing so. I would just ask that all that be taken into consideration when assessing a bond on behalf of Mr. Reynolds.
Okay. Well, thank you, counsel. And Mr. Reynolds, you know the importance of appearing in court, do you?
Yes, ma'am. I missed the last court date. I was in jail. And they didn't pull me out for the court.
And so which jail were you in, sir?
I was in Wayne County jail, ma'am. Your Honor, I'm sorry.
And what were you in Wayne County jail for?
They ended up breaking it down to a domestic violence, and then I ended up pleading guilty to a misdemeanor crime. I forgot what they broke it down to. My wife passed away last year. It's been a year ago today that she passed away. So they dismissed the case and put me on probation for some other things.
Okay, I need to more confused than before. Are you apartment, sir?
What's that?
Are you apartment? Okay. So, I'm very confused. So you're currently on probation in the Third Circuit Court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And is that from a matter from November of 23?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And so that was charged as domestic violence, second offense, assault of dangerous weapon, habitual offender, fourth offense. Correct?
It was all lies, Your Honor. It was ended up pleading guilty.
Sir, stop, please. I'm not asking for facts. I'm just asking what the charges were.
Those were the charges, but they were all dismissed. I pled guilty
I
to
don't
that.
any other commentary, sir. It's yes or no.
Those were the charges.
Then December 20th, those were dismissed on, those show dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Really is one whole resolution because less than a month after your original charge of November of 23, you were then charged with felony home invasion first degree, habitual offender fourth offense, and you ultimately pled guilty to possession of controlled substance use. Correct?
Yes. Yes, a misdemeanor.
And then you started probation July 22nd of 2024.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So I'm trying to determine at what point you were in custody in September of 2024. You were supposed to have been here September 25th, 2024. And you're telling this court that you were in custody in Wayne County.
Jail.
Okay, for which matter, sir?
Both of those matters, they were combined and I went to court for them and that's when I, got the probation. And when I got out, I didn't even know that I still had this pending. I thought it was all part of the plea agreement and everything went together. I wasn't sure. And I never received anything in the mail because I moved to 900 Goddard Road.
Sir, it shows that your probation began July 22nd of 2024. So that tells me that you are not in custody.
Oh, then I don't know when this court date was. I have no clue. I never received any paperwork, Your Honor. I moved.
Well, sir, the court can't track everybody down when they move. If you don't notify the court or you don't change your address at the post office, that we can't figure that out. So,
Your Honor,
sir,
yes, Your Honor.
July 4th of 24, you received these 4 charges. So you did not contact the court at any point to set up a court date.
Your Honor, I didn't know. I was in jail for 30 days. I was released. I didn't know. I didn't know. Was it? Yes.
Sir, you were present on the July 4th date, right?
Yes.
When you had contact with the officers, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And you have enough interaction with the criminal justice system, sir, to know what comes next. So if you did not receive any notification because you moved and you didn't notify the court of your new address, it's your responsibility then, sir, to follow up as to when your court date is. You didn't do that. You didn't show up September 25th. You're trying to tell the court that it's because you were in custody. It does not appear as though you were in custody on the matters that you're saying you were in custody on. Where do you work, sir?
I'm not working at the moment. I've been off due to I lost my wife after this. Not much. We weren't married. We were together for 20 years after this. I'm just trying to get my life back together, Your Honor. I have 3 children that I had that are my father's right now that we're trying to reunite with. I've been working up until this point under the table for a painting company. Trying to get the kids back and do everything that I have to do. And this is the first that has come up with this case. I didn't even know that I had the open warrant, Your Honor.
Sir,
I've been going to family court and they haven't said anything. My attorneys haven't or anything about it either. I would have taken care of it. I have to take care of everything. So here I am.
here you are. Okay. Sir, how did you have contact with the police that you're now in custody?
We were on my girlfriend's boat and they said that it was an illegal boat. It wasn't hers. Natasha Azar.
No, sir, no. I'm not asking for the incident in July. You're currently in custody. How are you currently in custody? How did you come to be in the custody of the Wyandotte Police Department?
Oh, we were pulled over.
Who's we?
Me and my girlfriend, Natasha. We were pulled over and I gave them my name and they ran the name and I came back with the warrant.
Natasha's not your girlfriend, sir?
Natasha?
She's not your girlfriend?
Yes, it's my girlfriend.
Wasn't she the daughter of your girlfriend beforehand?
No?
Huh, I remember that she was the daughter of your girlfriend, but maybe I have that mixed up. I thought you were dating Natasha's mother before.
No, that's the owner of the boat. The boat that we were on was Joe Riki's, Natasha's mom's boyfriend.
Natasha's mother's the owner of the boat. Okay. All right, well, sir, here's what the court's going to do. You have a history of failing to appear in court, and so the court's going to order and you're currently on probation. However, the court will note that this offense occurred prior to the date you were put on probation. However, you were out on bond on the felony matters when this offense occurred. The court's going to order a $7,500 10% bond. In the event you post bond, You are not to have any contact with Christopher Nagel. That's phone contact, text message, email, social media, third party, anything of the like. You're not to return to the marina. You are not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs that are not prescribed. You are not to be released without GPS tether through Wayne County Jail. Any questions, sir?
No, could you just give me jail time, Your Honor? Because this is, might as well just give you jail time now.
Well, sir, right now, the pre-trial's in 2 weeks, so we can address that then, but as of now,
Just take care of it now, can we? Just give me the 90 days or whatever you want to give me, and let's do it. I just want to get this over with. I don't want to deal with you people any longer.
The case hasn't been adjudicated yet, so there's,
Can you ask her to run
I did absolutely nothing wrong. I was on my friend's mother's boat. You guys attacked me and beat me up. I had a dislocated shoulder.
sir, your matter's done. We'll see you back in 2 weeks.